How to appear offline on Instagram while being online. Step-by-step guide. Hello, friends. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how you can appear offline on Instagram even when you're online. Follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. Steps to appear offline on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Your profile page will open. Access. Settings. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top right corner. Select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy option and tap on it. Disable Activity Status. In the Privacy menu, find the Activity Status option. Tap on it to open the settings. Toggle off the Show Activity Status option. Save changes. Once you've turned off the activity status, your friends won't be able to see when you're online or last active. Keynotes. Disabling your activity status also means you won't be able to see others' online status. This setting is useful for maintaining privacy while using Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips. Thank you for watching. Hey.